Welcome back. Today's video will show you plenty of possible solutions for the bad pool header blue screen in Windows 7, 8 and 10. Firstly, this blue screen is most likely due to a problem with Windows memory allocation, and it could be quite severe depending on the cause. If you're unable to start up your PC due to the error, the first thing you could try is disconnecting all your peripheral devices, such as your mouse and keyboard, as these could be causing the issue. If your PC still doesn't start up, it could be due to faulty hardware. You can try starting in safe mode to continue with some of the other potential fixes in this video. I'll link a video in the description showing you how to do that. If safe mode still won't let you access your PC, it is highly likely that it will be a hardware issue and some components might need replacing. Faulty RAM is most likely to be causing this error. Next, think of any recent changes you may have made to your PC. For example, have you just installed some new hardware or software? It is possible that these changes could have caused the error to start appearing, so uninstall the software or remove the hardware if you think that might be the cause, to see if the error continues. You could also check to see if your version of Windows is up to date. To check this, simply search Updates in the search bar to get to the Updates page. It will tell you on that page whether you have the newest version or if you need to scan for updates. If your PC has recently updated Windows, that update could be the cause. You can revert to a previous version by searching for Recovery in the search bar, then selecting Open System Restore. Click Next, then choose a point to revert to. Remember, this won't delete any personal files, but some recent software may be uninstalled. If your PC was fine and wasn't getting this error before a certain point, this is well worth a try. It is very possible that device drivers could be the cause of the blue screen. You need to make sure that your drivers are up to date. You can either do this manually by searching for each one of them through the software or online. However, the link to the video in the description will show you some software that will help do this automatically. To rule out some of the other causes, you can run a memory diagnostics test. To do this, search run and then type in mdsched.exe and hit enter. Allow the memory diagnostics test to run and then it should tell you whether there are any issues. Another possible solution is to disable the Windows Index search function. To do this, go to the Control panel and then to Administrative Tools, or just search for Administrative Tools in the search bar. Click on Services and then find Windows Search. Double click to open up the dialog box and then click Stop, then change the startup type to Disabled. If you're running on a slow PC, this could improve performance too. To change this back, follow the steps again but change the startup type back to Automatic Delayed Start. You will need to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. You could also try scanning your PC for viruses with your antivirus software. If nothing is found, try disabling your antivirus software for a short period. If the error stops, it could be to do with the antivirus software conflicting. Remember to take extra care though, as you will be more vulnerable during this time. Finally, you could try a complete system restore. It is possible to do this without deleting personal files. This should only really be used as a last hope, and if you choose the complete reset, remember to back up if you want to save your files. I'll try and keep the description up to date with possible solutions, and if you have any advice or ideas for others, then leave them in the comments. I will also try to keep the comments related to the video or pin a list of other solutions. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped and I will see you in another one.